Hello everybody, welcome back to another week of sales.
Never to the left. Oh, that cart with a jack of wheel.
Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Starting off with Tuesday this week. Yesterday was a holiday. My fiance was off, so we did do a lot of thrifting, not a lot of filming as far as the what sold video goes. So we're going to start this week with Tuesday, and we're going to start with this giant box right next to my face. What is in here, you ask? Well, it's the first thing we're going to talk about that sold. First things up is these. These are security tags for clothing at a retail store. If you look way back in my videos, you can see when I bought all these. I bought about 10,000 of them. They're downstairs in my basement, taking up a considerable amount of space, but we are selling through them. We sold 400 of them, 2 packs of 200 is how we did it, for $44 free shipping. I'm gonna move this, so I'll be right back, because it's quite heavy. All right, moving right along on the list here. First item we got, well, second item we got, other than the big box that has now been removed magically from my desk, is this. It's a Halloween costume. It's a Bob Ross and a painting kit costume. We don't have any really good story on how we got this. This was our Halloween costume for last year. We didn't use it for obvious reasons. There wasn't very many Halloween parties last year going on, so we didn't use it, so we decided to sell it for $18 plus shipping. Next is this, some cassette tapes. We got Billy Joel's cassette tapes, the River of Dreams album, and his greatest hits on cassettes. These are part of that Goodwill Bins haul when we found a whole bunch of cassette tapes. We sold these for $4 plus shipping. Next item up is going to require a photo. These are those gold spine books. The last 2 What Sold videos, we've sold some of these. They are children's books from the 70s and 80s. This is Sesame Street, this is Grover, Elmo, Big Bird, etc. are all in these books. These sold for $8 plus shipping. I know we haven't talked about this in a while, but next item is a pair of jeans. Levi's 502 premium taper jeans, men's size 40-30. These are really dark wash. They're almost like new. These sold for $11 plus shipping. Go through the only other set of jeans that sold yesterday or today, well, last night into today. These are medium wash Levi's 550, men's size 36-34. These sold for, scroll up a little, $14.22 plus shipping. Obviously took an offer on that for whatever reason. The buyer wanted it to be $22.22. So I obliged and sold these for $14.22 plus shipping. And last for today, Tuesday, February 16th, is a record. This is Fleetwood Mac, the Penguin album. This sold for $11.75 plus shipping. Hello, today is Wednesday, February 17th, here in lovely winter wonderland that is Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So today we're going to go over all the stuff that sold last night and today. There is a theme to today. See if you can figure it out. It's an interesting group of sales we've got going on. First thing that we're going to talk about is this. It is a Kathy Ireland gray lace pajamas for women, size extra large. They are new with tags. We found these at the bins, just sitting around. They actually have the tags on them. These sold for $10, free shipping. Next is a watch. We don't sell a lot of watches for obvious reasons. There's a lot of fakes out there and things of that nature. So unless we can verify that it is 100% real, we're not selling it. And the reason we can verify this one is 100% real is because it was Sarah's. And she decided to sell it. This is a Bulova, mother of pearl and rose gold plated ladies watch. This was originally about 300 bucks. We sold it for $40 plus shipping. Next on the list is a book. This is where that theme comes in. The first book is actually a Bible. It's a 1963 edition vintage Bible. We don't sell a lot of these, but if they're in really good shape, this one was. We'll grab them if they're at the Goodwill bins. This sold for $8.50, free shipping. Next on the list, finally happened. One of these finally sold. We sold some diapers. Some, large adult diapers. 18 of them in this bad boy. This sold for $13.50, free shipping. Sarah is very happy that one of her diapers finally sold. So, throw a comment down below. Congratulate her on selling adult diapers finally. Next up, another book. See? There's a theme. This is from 1971, Little Golden Book, Our Flag. The second printing of this. This sold for $3 plus shipping. We're going to throw one pair of jeans on the pile today. Vintage Levi's size 36-30. These were distressed. They're actually missing a belt loop right there. So they didn't sell for too much money, but we did get them at a pretty good price. A YouTube friend reached out and had some extra stuff lying around, some records, a few pairs of jeans. So thank you very much for that. This is the first set out of that. Actually, the second set that sold. The other ones sold last week. Didn't really go over them too much, but yeah, these sold for $7 plus shipping. So good lesson to learn there. Most everything's going to sell, and a lot of people shy away from damaged products, but if you can get them at the right price, they're still going to sell, and you're still going to make a decent amount of money. So definitely, when you're looking at things, take that into consideration. Now, it all depends on how much you're going to pay for them. We got this at a really good price. The guy really cut us a really great deal on all this stuff. So, selling that one pair for $7 wasn't really hurting our profit at all. So just, take that into consideration when you're out buying things. Sometimes some of the weirdest things will sell. And the last thing we're going to talk about today is the rest of this theme day. We sold 5 of the same book all today. This is George Orwell. Oh, there goes one of them. George Orwell's 1984. We buy these in bulk on Amazon, and we sell them on eBay. So we sold 5. George Orwell, 1984, mass-produced paperback books. Each of these were $9.50. We pay right around $3 for them, and we ship them out to very, very happy people around the world. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday, February 18th. We're going to go over some things that have sold last night and into today. So, let's get into that. First thing on the list is a pair of jeans. These are brand new Wrangler Retros. This is Wrangler's attempt at Wrangler's throwbacks, basically. They got brought back the W in the pocket, the patch. These are new, but they look old. So for those of you out there buying jeans, bear in mind that Wrangler did do this. So some of the stuff that might look vintage may or may not be vintage. These are size 40, 32. They are the relaxed boot cut Wrangler Retros, sold for $30 plus shipping. Next up is a toy. Oddly enough, we sold a toy. This is a Special Forces Plan B toy. These are pretty rare toys. We got these in a bulk deal long time ago. And they've been kind of sitting on our eBay for quite a while. We didn't want to sell them too cheap because they are collectible. We got some lowball offers here and there for them. If you find them and you have the storage, they're definitely worth the pickup, but only if you find them, sealed and so forth. But so yeah, Plan B toys. This sold for $32, free shipping. Next up is a Leatherman. This is a vintage Leatherman. It's pretty old, actually. Not sure of the year this was made, but let me see. It doesn't say on there. But yeah, made in the USA, Leatherman. I'm not sure where we got this, to be honest with you. I think we got it at a flea market, but I'm not 100% on that. The vintage Leatherman sold for $40. So if you see these guys out there, they're certainly worth the money. $40 plus shipping. Last on the list, last night was a little slow on the sale, so last up, pair of jeans, Levi's 505 men's, size 32-30. These were, you know, kind of your regular run-of-the-mill blue jeans. Nothing too special here. I would call them vintage. They're probably from the 90s. So, again, size 32-30 in men's, sold for $20 plus shipping. Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Today is the final day of this What Sold video, so let's get right into it. First up are some women's leg warmers. I didn't know these things were still a thing, but I guess they are. These sold for $6.50 plus shipping. I'm sorry, free shipping on those. Next up is something we sold quite a lot of this week. In fact, all in one day, we sold a bunch of these. This is one more, 1984 by George Orwell. This sold for $9.50, free shipping. We actually sold two of these. These were part of Sarah's little retail arbitrage. Not the one we got on film, actually. The one prior to that. She bought a couple of these refrigerator magnets. They're actually letters, you know, alphabet letters. These were pretty good pickup. We bought them for, I think, $1.50. Sold each of them for $9, free shipping. Next, pair of jeans, but a unique pair of jeans. We don't sell a lot of these, mainly because we don't find a lot of these. These are Levi's Silver Tab. They actually have the silver patch, and then they have a silver little tab right there. They're bigger, they're baggier jeans, they're a little bit softer, they're quite comfortable. I used to have a pair of these in the 90s and I loved them. Almost kept these for myself, but didn't because they sell for a pretty penny. These sold for $35 plus shipping. So if you see Levi's Silver Tabs, you definitely want to grab them. They are worth the pickup. And last on the list today, Friday, February 19th, is this. It's kind of a cool Pennsylvania fishing license from 1959. We get these at flea markets and estate sales. You know, whenever we can find stuff like this, we typically grab them. They sit, you know, but they sell sooner or later. So this sold for $4.50 plus shipping. Alrighty, and that's it for this week's What Sold Countdown, or whatever we're going to call it. This week was decent. Business was pretty normal. You know, we've sold some unique things. We did sell through a lot of the jeans. If you look behind me, that shelf is getting a little bare, so we're going to have to actually go out and hunt this weekend for some more jeans. We skipped last weekend with you know, buying a lot of jeans. We bought some, but not a ton. So we're going to have to kind of hit it hard this week. So stay tuned for videos like that. So if you want to see stuff like that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up. Really appreciate all the comments and everything. And that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!